seriously how you gonna draw this sketch very easily in just 9 simple steps. Okay, let's move to the most important and most easy part. This is step number 1. In step number 1, you just have to play with only basic patterns and line. You just have to draw the circle first. Okay, after that draw the middle line. Okay, after that draw the eyebrow line. Here is hairline, and hairline to eyebrow line, that is space. Now you just have to cover, give the nose line with the same space, and give the chin line with same space. Okay, make the ear circle here like hairline to nose line. Okay, give the ears circles middle line. After that connect with it. Okay, and here to here. This is literally very easy. I am making it roughly, but you have to make it very seriously. Okay, यहाँ पे make the ears, earrings structure. Okay, give the circle here also. Make the neck structure and the shoulder structure like this, and that's it. It's completed. When you have to make the jewelry structure, na, you just have to cover with basic patterns. This is so basic, and you can do this very easily. Okay, you just have to draw it like this. And step number 2, you just have to put the outline on the basic structure. On this you have to put the outline. In step number 3, you just have to erase that structure which you had made in step number 1. And step number 4, leave that white area alone and shade all the parts. Okay, this is the white area, leave it alone. Okay, and step number 5, don't leave the white area alone this time. Shade it too very well, and shade the shaded part also. Don't forget to shade here the backgrounds. Okay, shade that second layer with the HB pencil. And step number 6, shade with 4B pencil in white dotted areas. Like here you have to cover all the parts. Okay, and step number 7, shade again in dotted areas in 6B with 6B pencil, because this dotted area and this dotted area are not same. Okay, you have to shade here too. Okay, here is not dotted because of you take it as a highlight. This is not a highlight, that's why I remain it, but you have to shade here. Okay, and step number 8, you have to shade with 8B pencil where you shaded in step number 7. In step number 9, shade with 10B pencil, and it's completed. You have to shade with 10B pencil in this areas where dotted is. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If you like that video, give like to me, and this is really very precious for me. Thank you so much for watching. Share this video to someone else who needs this video so much, and DM on WhatsApp for get a PDF of this drawing. Thank you so much.